Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I am going to be doing another Growth Collaborative haul, so if you would like to see what I got this month, keep on watching. So the first thing that I got from Growth Collaborative this month is this anti-bac all-purpose cleaner. It looks like this, you guys. If you guys watch my Growth Collaborative haul, you know that this is my favorite scent. Hold on, let me take the tape off the top. Kind of loud. This is my favorite scent, you guys. This is one of my favorites. Smells so good. Does the job. Oh, smells so good. This is the I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner, you guys. My favorite. Hope you guys can see that. So that's one of the things that I got. The next thing I got is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner and the scent Pink Grapefruit. This is my favorite. Again, I have to keep getting these things, you guys. I want to be fully stocked. I get a shipment every month. Sometimes I skip a month because like my cleaning supplies are multiplying, you guys, because you know, if you keep getting the same things in a row. I try to get different things, but let me take that off before I keep talking. I try to get different things, but I can't help but go back to the same thing. So I do got so it looks like this, you guys. One of my favorite scents. I have to keep this in my house. I have to. We go through all-purpose cleaners like no tomorrow. I clean my countertops, my bathrooms, my tables, everything with these. And since my kids know how to clean off the table now, they are so helpful, you guys. Like, I love that my kids are just like me when it comes to cleaning. But they always ask me if they can clean off the table, and I always say yes. So yeah, they love this too. Hold up, me. And it's so funny because, like I said, I got like a ton of these in my cabinet, and they always know which spray to use. So I think that's so cute. So anyways, I got this, you guys. So the next thing I got is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and the scent Peony. Last year was the first year I used this, and I fell in love. It smells so good, you guys. Let me take this off. This smells good. Like, really good. Like, I was obsessed. I think like I said, I'm gonna try new scents, but I had to buy it again because when I tell you this smells so good, oh my gosh, it have your whole house smelling like this. Like, I was obsessed. I think I bought like at least 6 or 7 of these sprays last year, and I didn't even run out. I think I ran out in August, you guys. So oh my gosh, it looks like this. Cute spring color. I love this. Like, I love this scent. I love the spray. Ah, smells so good. So it looks like this. Also got it in the dish soap. Looks like this. If you guys haven't bought the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, I recommend that you do, because it's really good. Like I said, I don't clean with a lot of dish soaps. I only clean with antibacterial, which is Dawn. The Dawn scent. It's in the green apple or the orange one. If it's not that, it's definitely Mrs. Meyer's. Let me take this off. I always take these off before I do my hauls, but I got this time. This is really good, guys. So I had to get this. So I had to get this in a dish soap, you guys. So it looks like this, and I got it in a hand soap, of course. Like I said, this is my favorite scent. Smells so good for spring and summer. Like, yeah, I might have this in, no, my next order, I think I'm gonna have mint. So yeah, I never tried mint before. Sorry if you couldn't hear me for the tape. I said in my next order, I'm gonna try the mint scent in Mrs. Meyer's. I haven't tried it before, but I think I'm gonna like it. So this is how the hand soap look, you guys. So excited. The next thing I got, of course, if you guys watch my Growth Collaborative haul, you would know that I love the Mrs. Meyer fabric softener and the scent Honeysuckle. Like I said, I try not to be repetitive in the scents, but come on, I had to get it. I had to. It looks like this, you guys. If you don't know, this is my favorite scent, and this fabric softener smells so good. This fabric softener also leaves your clothes soft, you guys. Soft, soft, soft. Love it. So it looks like this. And then And then I had to buy another one of the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner. You guys, I clean this in my bathroom sinks. I put this in my tub and also my kitchen sink. This cleans and have your sink so sparkling, shiny clean. Hold on. You guys, my favorite. I had to get another one. It looks like this, you guys. If you guys have not yet tried this, I recommend that you do. It's so good, and yes, it does the job. It does the job, so you would not regret it. Any of these items that I bought does the job. Like, I am like a clean freak when it comes to my home. I can't help it. Like, I have an OCD. I wouldn't recommend anything that I know wouldn't work. Like I said, if I try something new, I will let you guys know. So far, anything Mrs. Meyer's or Method, it's going to work. It is going to work. It's going to do the job. So the next thing is these sponges. Like, I have to have this like every month or every other month because these sponges are so good. This is all I have. Like, ever since I've been ordering from Growth Collaborative, this is the only sponge that I use. It looks like this. It's the walnut scrubber sponge. The walnut scrubber sponge, it looks like this. And the last thing I got, which I got tons of this, but I had stopped using it for some reason. I think the only time I use this is if I run out of any of my Method or my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. But I just got another one. This is the all-purpose cleaner, lavender and thyme. It looks like this, you guys. So basically what this is, these are drops. This is like a concentrated liquid. And then you fill like your glass spray container or plastic, whatever you got. You put this in there and you just fill it all the way up, and you got a all-purpose cleaner. And your spray bottle, just spray it wherever, you know, wherever you like to clean, and it does the job. This is really good, you guys. I have been using this all last year. I stopped because, as you can see, I am fully stocked with Mrs. Meyer's and Method. Like I said, I do this every month. Like, I'm completely stocked right now, so next month you might not get a Growth Collaborative haul. I might skip May and go to June because, you guys, I got a lot. But like I said, if I run out of any of my all-purpose cleaners from Mrs. Meyer's or Method, I will be using this, and it's really good. So I just want to make sure that I have it in stock. In this box, you get two. You'll get two of these in one box. So, I mean, it's so worth it. Like I said, it's going to be the size of this. You can even reuse this spray bottle. Any spray bottle you have. All you have to do is just pour it in the bottle and then just fill it the rest up with water, and you're good to go. So that is all that I got for this month Growth Collaborative. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.